So, it's Black Friday. I've been waiting a while to get something. I was thinking about getting the DJ Osmo action, but a few things tipped me over and I ended up getting the GoPro Hero 9 Black.
My one is Gopro Hero 4.
Yeah. Crystal's had hers for 6 years. It's still a champion of a machine, but we've been testing gimbals and stuff and found that the gimbals do a lot more. So we wanted something like that, and I've wanted one with a front screen so I can just do a quick talk for busted to robust rather than filming it, having Crystal there and editing and all that carry on. I got the suction cup as well. I want to put it on Bepo, the van. And because of that, Crystal was like, you've got to get the tough case. She's got the tough case. Hers has lasted 6 years. So when she said that, and this was on sale as well, I think I got it for $70 in the end.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought, I better. And it looks tough too.
Yeah, it is a very tough case. I'm quite surprised because I dropped my GoPro so many times and it's still going.
Yeah. This one I know is tougher. They've put the rubber on it and all that, but I want to put it on the side of the van. So if it takes a rock, that should be a lot better for it. So anyway, this is the unboxing of the Hero 9 Black.
The box looks awesome, though.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, I mean this one.
Oh, you get a case with it?
Because you can buy the case from the GoPro and it's like about $50 bucks. Yeah. So it's good you got it.
I was worried. I was worried that it might only be a little one just for the GoPro. It doesn't. Oh yeah, it does show it. Okay.
So this is GoPro Hero 9 Black.
Yeah. So you got your charging cable. Yeah, USB-C. Wonder if it'll work on my Huawei one. Probably not.
Nope.
Battery and standard clip-on mount.
So what's the standard clip you got? Oh, cool. So it is got both.
Yep. We were a little bit concerned. Crystal thought I might have bought it and it mightn't be able to fit this. So, yeah, it's cool. It is there. And I can stick that on the dash or something.
Oh, I probably won't do that because you can.
Or a helmet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Got my lock pin thing.
Yeah, so they allows it all sorts of stuff. Battery.
It's got the instructions. First thing, download app. Guess what? We're hell rural right now. We're in the middle of, where are we? We're in Queenstown.
12
halfway
mile.
Between Queenstown and Glenorchy.
Yeah.
And there's no signal here.
No.
No signal, so I won't be doing step 1. Step 2 is chuck the battery in. Step 3 is charge it up. Step 4 is push the button. That's the instructions.
What's it on the back? Is it stickers?
Stickers and the idea to put it on my helmet.
Yep.
Okay. Subscribe to GoPro. Unlimited cloud storage. That mightn't be a bad idea. We're having trouble at the moment. We've heard that Google
Photos.
is going to start charging soon, and we're already overfilled it, I think. Have product questions. Chat with the experts at GoPro. And then there's 2 pages in English. Camera safety and battery safety. So I'll have a quick read of this.
GoPro.
Oh, she's quite heavy compared to yours.
Is it bigger than mine, you think?
Yeah, fatter. I think it's the same size round, but definitely fatter.
Yeah.
I've heard that's because it's a bigger battery, but
But the battery looks the same as mine.
does it?
How about we grab out my GoPro and compare?
Where?
Up here.
Okay, so this is the GoPro 4.
4.
Heaps
Yeah.
skinnier.
Okay, I want to take a... Can you... Wait.
So, Crystal, in bed, is checking out the GoPro 4
Yeah.
in relation to size to the GoPro 9.
So...
I suppose it has to do a lot more. It's got the inbuilt...
If you can see upside down. Okay.
So they're about the same dimensions front ways. Oh,
I
no,
think
no, it's a bit bigger.
It's a... Yeah. It's
Quite a bit bigger.
bigger, yeah.
A bit taller,
And it's thicker as well.
wider,
Yep.
fatter.
This side. This side.
What about weight? How does it feel?
I think this one definitely heavier. But
Well, that doesn't have the battery in it.
yeah, I just want to say the battery is not in here yet, but it is feel heavier than GoPro 4. GoPro 4 looks skinnier and yeah, I quite like it.
The Osmo was like that.
No, the lens looks really different.
Yeah.
Yeah, from the DJI one. And yeah, I was thinking because when he buy the case, we haven't really saw the real GoPro, so I was thinking if he can fit my case.
Yeah,
so,
we'd just seen the picture on there, and Crystal was like, that looks similar sort of shape. And she's right, it does.
Yeah.
From the front, they do look quite similar, but
yeah,
but my one's definitely fatter.
yeah.
This is like me and you.
So this is Crystal, and this is Jamie.
Yeah, it's sideways that matters. Oh, shit. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you
Yeah.
and me, all right.
Yeah, it's very interesting. So 6 years ago, and now it's a GoPro 9.
But the phones are getting bigger too, aren't they? Like,
Yeah, everything.
yeah, it's weird. Everything went tiny and now it's getting bigger. Like, that won't worry me. Oh, I mean, I'll carry whatever on my head, but someone smaller like Crystal, shit, it might.
Yeah, like every time when I want to get a new phone, I just see they are bigger, and they even couldn't fit in my pocket. Like before, it's like a iPhone 11 Pro or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's bigger than Jeremy's phone though. So.
Yeah, mine's pretty big.
Mm.
Yeah. So that's that. It's all got its fancy plastic on it and stuff that can come off later. But I can't really use it at the moment, so I may as well leave it on. But that's the Hero 4 and the Hero 9 together. Jamie and Crystal. Look
I
at
do.
the size.
Yeah, I do like my Hero 4. It looks like a more skinnier and lighter something. So let's see the battery. If they are different. Yeah, it is bigger. This is for the GoPro Hero 9, and this is my tiny GoPro Hero 4. And it's thicker as well.
Yeah.
Wider, and wider both sides. So yeah, but it last longer. Must be.
But they got to do more, because that's got to do 4K. It's got to do the gimbal.
Yeah.
But yeah, technology.
Yeah. So you can't use my charger. Sorry.
Oh no. Another 100 or whatever to get another charger.
Yeah, we were thinking maybe we have something and just same and use together, but nah, maybe.
But those
I
evil...
will rent you the sticker and the tripod.
But those...
$5 per time, something. Yeah, I can get whenever GoPro Hero come out. Hero 10, I mean.
But those evil geniuses at GoPro make the battery sizes different every time.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I mean, you always gonna expect that you're gonna spend more stuff. Like me, I bought my GoPro back in the day. It's like 300 something in Aussie, so it's Australia dollar. But after I bought this, I bought extra battery and the charger, double charger, and it's way over than my GoPro, actual GoPro. So yeah, you're gonna.
I can see that happening with me.
Yeah, you're gonna expect today, and but I actually before when Jimmy asked me how do I think with the DJI one and the GoPro one, I will go for GoPro because I use their stuff and their stuff is tough enough. Let me go to scuba diving. I didn't take it to scuba diving actually, but like snorkeling or something, go down to the water and film very well. And all the stuff 6 years and then still very handy around.
See, this case that you suggested I buy, that I've bought, this makes it so that the Hero 9 can go 60 meters underwater.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I guess that may be a little bit less, but it'd be similar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they are just, more smart. Like we saw some similar, like how do you call
It was Kaiser Bass.
stick.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then they just make it longer because this thing was outside. Look at this thing, you can take it out and pull it back, screw it on. So they just make things smarter, and you can, when you travel, you just can store them well. And
The Kaiser Bass one reminded me of my walking sticks.
oh,
The hiking sticks, how you just twist it and make it longer.
yeah.
I should just put one of these connections on the end of my hiking stick.
Yeah, if somehow you can screw on. Yeah.
Yeah. Just get that clamp one.
Yeah.
Just clamp it on the end of the hiking stick.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, it's been robust the last 6 years of Crystal dropping it on the ground, so...
You can see my case. It's just, look at this. I don't know if the camera can see the corner.
You can see the crack, yeah.
Yeah, and it's all a scratchy. Oh, another thing is I keep telling Jamie, it's like I dropped my camera off and all the case it's scratched hard out, but just this part. It's so strong and didn't scratch at all. So it doesn't affect the camera. The lens.
Yeah.
So it is very cool.
So my hardware and machine will no doubt be better than yours. It's 6 years in development, but for size wise and portability for someone like Crystal, who a 0.1 of a kg does tend to get to her Hero 4 might be better. We'll find out. She'll be having a play with mine, no doubt.
Yeah, but I do think my Hero 4 it's not how do you say, not that steady when you when I walk.
Yeah.
You can see it's like now they have the gimbal thing and it works better, hips better, and GoPro 9 they go for that thing. So I bet it's gonna be better when I ride the bike. It's gonna be awesome than GoPro 4.
So that's our unboxing of the Hero 9. Oh, and this cost me 648 New Zealand dollars today. The protective housing cost, I think it was $72 for Black Friday. And the suction cup thing, I think it cost $55 or something off memory. But I really wanted that. There was a Kaiser Bass one that would have fitted it, but yeah, something that's going out in the wind hanging off your door, I don't want to muck around. I'd rather stick with GoPro for that. Okay, so yeah, if you want to upgrade, we'll probably have a few more videos on how Crystal's old Dunga does compared to the new one.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's, if you like portability, hers might be the one. Okay, till next time.